Oh, okay. So do one thing. Take your question. Arhan, you would like to do question number 9 again? I believe you incomplete the last time. It was not completed the last time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I had did this.
You had did question number 9.
Yes, sir. And the time was not there, so
Okay. Acha, हाँ, Arham, it's written over here, no? So
yeah.
Arham, okay, attempt this now. Okay. Next one. Arhan, you attempt this one. Okay. And
Sir,
Ahmed,
which one?
question number 10. Question number 10.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, Ahmed, are you there? Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, Arhan, are you there in the class? Oh,
Yes, sir.
sorry,
I'm
Ahmed.
there.
Ahmed is not. Ahmed hasn't joined yet, no? Or has he? I believe Ahmed is joining KB class.
No, sir. He
I know,
hasn't.
sir. Yeah.
Oh,
So I
okay,
have done
okay.
this. Question number 9.
Question number 9. You have done this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good then. So if you have done this now, see, you're able to do the questions, Arham. Question simple, eh?
Yes, sir.
Right now. Okay. So do one thing. Pick out any question from the first 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sequence me if you were to opt the questions, it would be better. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I will 11.
Do 11. Good then. Take a screenshot quickly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Done.
Done. Good. Okay. Erhan, if you need to see the question, do let me know. You're solving question number 10, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If any difficulty in understanding the question, do let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And at least read the questions twice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have done it.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. What answer you're getting here?
Sir, 50 paise coins are 3 and 25 paise coins are 6.
50 paise coins are how much?
3.
3 and
25
20.
paise coins are 6.
6 here. Okay. Okay. Let's solve this question then. Okay. Ahmed still has not joined the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question was basically saying that Sita Devi has ₹9 in a 50 paise and 25 paise coins denomination. Okay. She has twice as many 25 paise coins as she has 50 paise coins. Okay. She has twice as many 25 paise coins as she has 50 paise coins. How many coins of each kind does she have? Okay, then let's assume the values. Okay, you must have
X and
taken
X
the
plus 2x.
first, let's take 50 paise coins as X here.
Yes,
Then
sir.
25 paise will be
2x.
exactly, will be 2x then. Okay, and then amount due to 50 paise coins will be how much?
Yes,
Amount
sir.
due to 50 paise coins. Look here, it will be 50 times x now. Total 50 paise coins के respect में amount जो due है हमारा, if you talk in terms of that, it will be 50 multiplied x Then since we are, if you were to try to calculate in terms of rupee, we need to divide it with 100.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 0.5x. Okay, clear so far what we're trying to do here?
Yes, sir.
She has got 9 in 50 paise and 25 paise coin. She has twice as many as 25 paise coins. Okay, so 50 paise we have assumed as x. Okay, 25 paise we have assumed as 2x. Okay, now how many coins of each kind does she have? Getting it now? So in order to find the total amount, okay, she has got 50 paise coins. How
We
many
have to add
x?
it.
We have to multiply it now. Why add it? If I were to say that you have got 5, if you have got 5 coins of rupees 5, so we simply multiplied now 5 multiplied 5, so I have got 25 rupees in total. So in total 0.5x rupees is there. हमने rupees में क्यों लिया है? Because I have divided it with 100 here. Getting it now? What we have did here?
Yes, sir.
Arhan, you also look at the Arham, you also look at the solution here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No. What about amount due to 25 paise? Amount due to same thing हमें करना है 25 paise coins. That will be 2x multiplied
0.25x.
25 and exactly. Okay, so it is 0.50x, no? 0.50x,
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
right? And as for the quotient, the total amount is 9 rupees. According to the quotient, 0.5x, है ना? 0.5x plus 0.50x, that is equal to 9. Okay, do the
Yes, sir.
calculation and see if you're getting the answer. अच्छा, क्या हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं? Can we do it like this? 0.5x, can I write it like this? 0.50x, because no matter after the
Yeah.
decimal digit how many zeros we
Yes, sir.
put, it still remains the same. So for the purpose of having convenience in addition, we can add it, we can write it like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as per the calculation, it will be 1x simply equals to 9. So x equals to 9, right? So Arhan, what was your solution? Your 50 paise coins are 9 in number, while 25 paise coins are 18 in number. Was this the figure which you were getting, Arhan? No. Arhan, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
am I?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm here.
So look, this figure is wrong. 3 and 6, that is not the number. We can check it also, है ना?
Yes,
How
sir.
can we check it? 9 times 50 paise coin, that will be 450 paise divided by 100. That is 4.5 paise, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then 18 times 25 paise coins, that will be how much? That will also be 45, no?
Yes, sir.
450.
Yeah.
So it will be
Yes, sir.
4.5 paise, that give me 4.5 paise over. So you add them two, you are getting 9. Hence the answer is correct. That is 9 and 18 are the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it, na, guys? Okay. If you want, take the screenshot quickly. Then moving on to question number 11.
So 10 upon minus 2 equals to minus 5, right?
10 upon
Minus 2.
minus 2.
Yes, sir.
It's simply minus 5 now. Look here. Always keep
Yes, sir.
this in mind. Okay. I have seen this same kind of doubt from you earlier. Okay.
Yes,
Look,
sir.
let's get it clear. If it is like this, the standard form, what does it say, Arhan? Standard form of rational number. Arhan, define the standard form of rational number, please.
Yes. Can I repeat, sir?
Define standard form. What do you mean by standard form of rational number?
Sir, a number which cannot be further divided.
Exactly. And the numerator has to be
Not 0.
Denominator does not have to
Denominator.
be 0.
Yes,
Denominator.
sir.
Okay. And out of the, if you to talk about the sign convention of numerator and denominator, can denominator be in negative?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The denominator cannot be in negative. No. No, Arhan. ये आप confuse हो रहे हो. Denominator cannot be in negative. For a
Okay, sir.
rational number to be in the standard form, denominator does not have to be in negative. So thereby we multiply both of it by -1, and we will cancel if it
Yes,
gets
sir.
cancelled. So here it's -5 minus minus plus, so upon 1. So -5 is the answer. Anyways, have you done the question solution, by the way? Done the question?
I'm not, sir. I haven't done the full question.
Okay, do it. And while
Yeah.
Arhan, you try question number 12.
Okay, sir.
And also cross check your answers. Okay. Once you have get the answer, quickly try to cross check it as well.
Okay, sir.
So Arham, in question number 11, what age you have assumed for Ashima and Sunita?
Sir, for Ashima, it is X, and for Sunita, it is 2X.
Okay. Then what you did?
Sir,
6.
I did
Hmm.
Ashima's age -6, which is X -6, equals to Sunita's age +4, which is 2X +4.
2x
So I'm
plus
getting
4.
-5.
Hmm.
So am I going somewhere wrong?
-5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have basically equated it, no, later on.
Yes, sir.
Also read that mm, the question says that if 6 years is subtracted from Ashima's age, and then if 4 is added to Sunita's age, then the age of Sunita will be 4 times that of Ashima's. So keep that in mind
Yes, sir.
also. Okay. So then simply equate it. You hopefully will be getting your answer then.
Yeah.
Okay. And Arhan, question number 12 says the ages of Sonu and Monu are in the ratio of 7:5. 10 years hence from now. Okay. After 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. Right. So you have to basically assume the ratio in terms of x.
X.
So thereby it will be solved easily then.
Sir, by the way, I found my answer.
Found your answer? Okay. What are the ages you are getting? What value you are getting?
Sir, it's 25 and 35.
25 and 35. Okay.
No, sir, it's the opposite. Opposite.
Okay. 35 and 25.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Cross check that as well. Okay.
sir.
Do cross check it. By the way, Arham, done?
No, sir. I'm not able to do. I'm able to do the first half, not the second half.
Not the second half. Okay. Let me help you there. Question number 11 you are solving. In the question, it was saying that Sunita was twice as old as Ashima or Rashmi
Yeah.
Ashima. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we did now, let's assume the age. Let's assume age of Ashima to be X. So then age of Sunita, right? Sunita
Yes,
will
sir.
be 2x. And further,
Yes,
the
sir.
question says that it says that 6 years ago, Rasmi's age, if you were to take the age of Ashima 6 years ago. So age 6 years ago for Ashima, it will be x minus 6, which you have taken good. And then the question further says that if
2x plus
6
4.
is subtracted and 4 were to be added to Sunita's age, yeah. So then for Sunita, it will be 2x plus 4, right? Now, as per the question, later on the question was saying that whose age is becoming 4 times whose? Sunita's age will be 4 times Ashima's age, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever we write expressions in equations, दो expression को हमें equation के form में जब भी equate करना होता है, we make sure that the value on LHS and RHS should be
Equal.
sounding equal to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
The question is saying that, will you again read the later part of the question? What was the question?
So
Later part of the
it
question.
was, yeah. Then Sunita's age will be 4 times Ashima's age. How old were they 2 years ago?
Okay. So 2x plus 4, first equate them. So it says that
Yes, sir.
her age is 4 times equal to her. It means her age is bigger than her. But here, in order to equate them, rather than multiplying Sunita's age, we will be multiplying Ashima's age. क्योंकि हमें
Yes, sir.
values को equal show करना on both side of the equal to sign. Getting it now? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Did you did it in this manner? Did you solve it in this manner? Yes. Did you solve it in
No,
the
sir.
same manner? Okay.
I
This
took
equation.
directly 4x.
No. The whole value has to be taken as the age, no? This x minus 6 is her age, no? So it will be 2x
So, but
minus.
Sunita's age will be 4 times Ashima's, right? So it should be in the left hand side.
Okay, look, the very basic fundamental thing here is now. We need to write the equation in such a way that the LHS and RHS side should be equal. This is
Yes, sir.
this is Sunita's age, and Sunita's age is 4 times that of Ashima's age. It means कि इसकी age बड़ी है ना? Sunita's age is
Yes, sir.
more than Ashima's age. That is what is
Yeah.
meant by the expression. But we need to look here. For example, if I were to say, there's a boy whose age is 8 years, okay, and his father's age is 4 times his age, so that will be 32,
Yes, sir.
right? That will be 32 right now. But in order to equate it, I multiply it with 4 rather than multiplying it with 4.
Yes, sir.
Rather than multiplying it with 4, we write it like this now. 4 times 8, that becomes 32. If you were to multiply 4 with 32, it will be beginning what? It will be becoming 128 equals to 8. So the
Yes, sir.
whole meaning changes now. Getting it, Arhan? Are you also looking at the question
Yes, sir.
right now? So it's 2x minus 4s equals to minus 24 minus 20 minus 4. So there were minus
Yes,
28
sir.
and then minus 2x. The value of x is 14, right? So her present, whose Ashima's present age is 14, while Sunita's age is 28. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, or it's better to note down the solution parallelly. Okay, because
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not sure whether you have guys been noting it. Have you guys been keeping track of all the questions we are doing or not? Have you been solving it in
Yes,
a
sir. Yeah.
copy? Okay.
Mhm.
If you are solving it, then good, because revision के time पे problem नहीं होगी. Now question number 12 you are solving, and Arhan, you were getting answers 35 and 25, right?
Yes, sir.
So let their present ages be respectively 7x and 5x.
Yes, sir.
7x and 5x. According to the question, if you were to add from 10 years, the ratio becomes 9:7, right?
Yes, sir.
7x plus 10 plus 10, getting it now. It becomes 9 upon 7. Now after cross multiplication,
So
it will be
9x upon 7x.
yeah. This has also to be taken 9x upon 7x. This one,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. So no, why would we be taking it to be 9x and 7x? Huh?
So
After say
since
9x and
it's
7.
the age.
Nahi. Why you will take it to be 9x and 7x? No. Read the question properly then. Look here. Question, both of you read the question number 12. The question says that the ages of Sonu and Monu are in the ratio of 7:5. 10 years hence, 10 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Why find their present age? Look here. हमें ambiguity कहाँ पर है? Where do we have doubt here? Where we don't know the value? Here we don't know the value now. हमें यहाँ पर तो value नहीं पता. Exact ages are what? Initially question says that initial age is in the ratio of 7:5. Okay. It could be either 4, it could be 10. Okay. सोनू एंड
Yes, sir.
मोनू की एज आइदर 14 हो सकती है 10 हो सकती है. इट कुड आल्सो बी 21 और 15 भी हो सकती है, बट वी डोंट नो
Yes, sir.
yet because we don't know yet know it at that time, so we assume it in terms of x, so 7x and 5x. But in the later part of the question, if you were to read the question, later part of the question is saying to me that the ratio now becomes 9:7. तो ये जो एज है हमारी 10 साल के बाद, इनकी एजेस की रेशियो विल बी 9:7. So that is known. That is clearly
No.
mentioned in the question. Getting
Yes,
it,
sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
So there पे वहां पे कोई ambiguity है नहीं. So why take it in terms of variable? So
Yes,
it
sir.
will be just 9/7. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So then let's multiply it. So it will be 7 multiplied 7x
7x
plus 10.
plus 10.
Okay, 9 multiplied.
5x plus 10.
So it's
Plus 70.
49x plus 70 equals to 45x
45
plus
plus
90.
90.
So 5x equals to 20. X is equal to how much?
So 4x equals
The
to
4.
X equals
4x
yes.
equals to 20. So it's 49 minus 45 equals to 4. Not
Yeah,
5.
yeah. 4x exactly. So x equals to 5 then.
5.
5.
Right. Now let's
Yes, sir.
put this 5 over here. Right. Okay.
35
No,
plus 10.
over here. And this we in their present ages. Some present age हमें find करना है, right? Not the age after 10.
Yes, sir.
35 and 25.
While verifying we will find it out. So it's become 35 and 25. Very good.
25.
Right. Okay. Also, how do we cross check it? हम कैसे cross check कर सकते हैं sir?
So we can
Um,
put the values
35
sir.
upon
in the variable.
Yeah.
35 and 25 ये present ages इनकी, add 10 to each of them, it becomes 45 upon 35, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9 5s are 45,
7
5
upon
7s
5.
are 35.
9 upon 7.
So 9
Yes,
upon
sir.
Yes,
7,
sir.
right? Okay. In fact, दोनों ही क्या है? If you were to look at 35 and 25 or 45 and 35, okay, what are they basically? Are they equivalent fact? Can we say them equivalent fractions?
Yes, sir.
Confusing
No,
question,
right?
eh?
No, sir. Because
Can
we
we
are
call
adding 10 afterwards.
exactly 45 and 35? Okay, we are just adding 10 to it. Had
Yes,
it
sir.
been like this, we were multiplying or dividing it with the same number, then you will be getting equivalent fraction.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question. Let's quickly get done with the exercise. Okay, question number 13 or 14. Anyone who would like to do question number 13 out of you two?
So I'm doing, I will do 13.
13. Okay. Arham. Next one, Arhan, you do this one. Also read the question. Read the question aloud, Arham.
5 years ago, man was 7 times as old as his son. 5 years hence, the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages.
Okay. Any difficulty in understanding the question? Not too complicated, no?
No, sir.
Okay. So 5 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. So we will have
Yes,
to
sir.
assume the
Age of
X.
the man X.
okay 5 years ago, but यहाँ पर हमें 5 years ago की बात हो रही है. 5
Yes,
years
sir.
ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. So you will be now later on the question also is mentioning in terms of 5. 5 years ago, suppose अभी बच्चे की उम्र 7 years है. So 5 years ago, the age of father was 35, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? 5 years hence,
Hmm.
the father will be 3 times as old as his son. 5
Sir,
years
5 year and hence means 5
after,
years after, right? Yeah.
the father will be the 3 times as old as his son. Like हमने
Hmm.
पीछे ट्रेस किया तो हमें पता चला कि 35 होगा for example. But
Yes, sir.
to move ahead, we can't proceed because हमें present age चाहिए होगा. We don't know the present age, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just assume the age of the father 5 years ago as X.
Yes, sir.
Assume the age of the father 5 years ago as age. Okay, no, sorry. You have to assume the age of son. Okay, आपको son का age assume करना है. अगर 5 साल पहले son का age it's X, so the age of father would be 7X now.
Yes, sir.
As per the question says that the age of the father is 7 times of his son. So it's 7, it's X and then 7X. And then later
Yes,
on the
sir.
question says that you move 5 years ahead. So then it
Yes,
becomes
sir.
3 times as old as his son. The age of the father becomes
Yeah.
3 times. Okay, hopefully
Hmm.
we will be able to solve it. Do it then.
Yes, sir.
Arhan, are you having difficulty in understanding the question?
No, sir.
Okay, then good.
Sir, in my question, I have to take two different variables like X and Y for the son
No,
and the man.
no, why would be taking two different variables? The chapter name is linear equation in one variable. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have to deal with only one variable here. Okay, you haven't been taught yet how to deal with questions where two variables are involved. Okay, in
Yes,
class
sir.
9 you will get to learn that. Okay, you guys
Sir,
will
I
be
know the basics of using two variables.
know the basics. Very good. That is also easy, not too complicated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do let me know once you are done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm done.
So can you show the question just for a second? I'll take the screenshot.
Okay, have the screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, Arhan, you are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the answer you are getting?
Sir, the father's age is 30 and the son age is 6.
13 and son's age is 6. Okay.
No, sir, 30.
Okay, 3030. Okay. Okay, then question number 14 you are solving now.
Yes, sir.
So question was basically saying that I am currently 5 times as old as my son. In 6 years time, I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. What are our ages now? So let's assume the age of son presently to
X.
be x. Okay, so let's the age of son presently to be x years. So as
Yes,
per the
sir.
question, the age of father will be becoming how much?
Sir, 6x. Sorry, sir, 5x, 5x.
It will be 5x now.
5x.
Okay, after 6 years, their ages will be son. It will be x plus 6.
X plus 6.
For father, it will be
5x plus 6.
5x plus 6, right? And as per the question, the age of father is becoming thrice of the age of the son, right? Now, is that what the question is saying further? For the question says that in 6 years' time, the age of the father was going to be three times that
Thrice.
of the thrice of his son. So
Yes,
then
sir.
we say first हम equate करते हैं. Let's according to the question a slash q, that is according to the question. So x plus 6 equals to 5x plus 6. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
we need to equate the two values. हमें दो values पे equal show करना है यहाँ पर. So I know the age of father, this 5x plus 6, it is thrice of x plus 6. It's a bigger value. So in order to equate it, I will be multiplying x plus 6 with 3. I
Yes,
know.
sir.
So it's 3x plus 18 equals to
18, yes.
5x plus 6. So it's minus 2x. Okay, minus 12. So thereby x is 6, right? The
Yes.
present age of son is 6 and 30. Good then. Very good. Now, back to the question. Okay, pick out any other question. Now 15, 16, 17.
Sir, 15.
15, good. Solve this one then. Yeah, Arham, are you there? Doing question number 13?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I help you if you're having issues?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. First, do tell me what are the values you have assumed? क्या values आपने assume की हैं?
The father's age will be 7 times his son 5 years ago. It will be 7 times his son, which is 7x.
Hmm?
And 5 years ahead, the father's age will be 3 times his son, 3x.
Did the question mention 3 times or something else?
So it's like 3
Push.
times.
Okay, 3
3
times.
times Jasola son.
ठीक है, okay. So let son's present age x and what else you assume और क्या assume किया आपने question में?
Sir, in the past or the present, the
In
future.
the after 5 years.
So 3x.
3x. नहीं. There you have done the mistake. There you have done the mistake. Look here. Let sons हमने क्या करना है कि in the first for the age of the son 5 years ago and his father, you have done that as correct. वो आपने सही किया. Let son's age 5 years ago equals to x, that you have done correct. And according to
Yes,
the
sir.
question, the age of the man 5 years ago was also 7 times that of his son. So the age of man's age 5 years ago would be 7x. Then यहाँ तक आपने सही किया. Okay, did you solve it in this manner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then the question was saying that it was talking in terms of 5 years from then. 5 years
You have to
from.
multiply by 5.
Why it would be multiplying? Nahi. It's not about 5 times. Look here. If you were to read the question again, please look here. Question number 13 कह रहा है 5 years hence the father will be thrice as old as his son. Look here. Now try to grasp it properly then. Try to grasp it now. Question कह रहा है 5 years ago the age of the father was 7 times of his son. 5 साल हम पहले चले जाते हैं. हमने कहा the age of son is x, then the age of father is 7x. Then question says that 5 years hence. 5 years hence, 5 साल बाद, कब? प्रेजेंट में नहीं है, अभी भी हम पास्ट में बात करें, वी आर स्टिल टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट।
Yes, sir.
कब बात कर रहे हैं? एक्स। तो 5 साल पहले एज सन का एक्स था, आफ्टर 5 years hence, so it is x plus 5.
Yes, sir.
सेम विल बी फॉर फादर, फादर के लिए भी हम कहेंगे 7x plus 5. सो
Yes, sir.
वापस हम ये हम प्रेजेंट पर आ गए ना, x plus 5 and 7x plus 5.
Yes, sir.
ये भी हम प्रेजेंट एज में आ गए। मैंने कहा 5 साल पहले आपका एज लेट्स से कि 10 साल था। मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कहा योर एज 5 years ago was 10 years, okay, and then from that time 5 years later on your age is 15. So हमने
Yes, sir.
जो हमारा पास्ट में एज था हमने उसमें तो 5 ऐड किया ना, we have added 5 to that
Hmm.
age ना, so same
Yes,
same
sir.
case is here as well. Son's age we have assumed it to be x, then father says 7x, then after 5 years, son's age will be x plus 5 and the father's age will be 7x
Yes,
plus
plus 7x
5.
plus 3x, right?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, why would be taking 3?
So it was 3
7x
times.
earlier हम पास्ट में बात भी कर रहे हैं। Okay, let me give you an example. For example, मैंने कहा son's age is 7. Son का age 5
Yes,
साल
sir.
7 था, so the age of father would be 49. ठीक है, अब मैं कह रहा हूँ प्रेजेंट में हम आते हैं। From 5 years ago, come back to 5 years, hence from that time come back to present. So it will be 7
Yes,
plus
sir.
5 and it will be 49 plus 5 ना, ये 12 होगा, ये हमारा क्या होगा? 54 होगा ना।
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
We did not did it like this कि हमने कहा कि it was 749. So अभी हमने thrice में तो बात नहीं की, we didn't say that it would be 7 into 3. हमने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा कि it will be
Yes, sir.
7 times that is 21 plus 5 that is 26. No, thereby
Hmm.
the math will be completely wrong there now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arhan, you also look at the solution of the question. So after 5 years, the age is x plus 5 and 7x plus 5 for the son and the father respectively. Now then we
Yes, sir.
come to the what is question saying in the later part. The father's age is thrice of that of the son. No? So simply
Hmm.
अभी हमें कुछ नहीं करना, simply write equate the two expressions. ये expressions है, right? Equate them.
Yes, sir.
Now the one whose age is smaller उसे हम 3 से multiply कर
Yes,
देते
sir.
हैं, right?
Yes, sir.
So x plus 5 will be multiplied with
3x plus
3
15.
here,
3.
right? So 3x, 3 exactly 3x plus 15. So 3x plus 15 equals to 7x plus 5. So it's minus 4x equals to minus 10,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
x, okay, क्या हमने कोई mistake किया है यहाँ पर? X plus 5, why would be getting the value in the fraction then? After 5 years it is x plus 5, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Then it is 7x plus 5. Okay, so ये हम प्रेजेंट में आ गए हैं अभी। ओके,
Hmm. I also got 4x equals to 10, and but I didn't stop.
okay. If you were to read the question back, question is saying that 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his son. That we have done. 5 years hence the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Now यहाँ पर जो बात क्या हो रही है ना कि from present टाइम से 5 साल के बाद बात हो रही है फिर यहाँ पर।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question has not explicitly mentioned it. Question has not explicitly mentioned it. So thereby, जो present time है, from that present time, we need to move 5 years ahead then. Present
sir.
age से 5 साल हमें बाद move करना है. Okay, so it will be now x plus 5 plus 5. That's 7x plus 5 plus 5.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन में क्या हुआ? Look here. 5 years ago की हमने बात की. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we came back to the present. So we added plus 5 to here. Then present
sir.
से 5 साल आगे की बात हो रही है. So we will be again adding plus 5 to it. Getting
Yes,
it
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then it has to be equation has to be changed a little bit. So then it will be x plus 5 plus 5 equals to 7x plus 5 plus 5. And whose age is thrice of whom? Father's age is thrice of his
Price of sun.
son. So ये son की age है, and this is the age of father. So this has to be
Yes, sir.
multiplied with 3.
Son.
It will be 3x plus 30.
Plus 15 plus 15.
15 plus 15.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 7x plus 10 here. So minus 4x equals to minus 20 here.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
5.
5.
X equals to 5.
X equals to 5. So thereby, in order to find the present age, what would be the present age? That is the confusion now. Present age क्या होगी?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 10 years and 40 years.
10 years and 40 years exactly. Because हमें present age में अगर बात हम करते हैं तो हम यहाँ पर बात करेंगे. We're talking here about here.
Yes,
X
sir.
plus 5 and 7x plus 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्योंकि this value is after 5 years and this value is the present age.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be
Yes, sir.
10 plus 35 plus 5, that is 40. So that is the age of son
Hmm.
and father respectively. Okay,
Yes,
hope
sir.
it is clear now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you'd like, you can take this screenshot.
Yeah.
Sir, I've done my question by the way.
Okay.
So I should do the next question, right?
You will be have to do the next question then. Okay. By the
Yeah.
way, Arhan, you were solving which question?
15.
15. What value you are getting?
Sir, 5 rupees note is 60 and 10 rupees note is 70.
16 or 60?
60
60. Okay. And
and
then
70.
rupees 10 as 70. So are you getting the value as 300 plus 700? Yeah, that is correct then, right? 300 rupees plus 700 rupees. If you were to check it, अगर हम cross check करते हैं, so total amount is rupees 1000.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, that is correct. Okay. Then do the next question.
So can I do 16?
Yeah, do the question number 16 then. Okay. If there are questions of same nature, they are
Yes,
questions
sir.
of same nature, we can skip the solution. Like questions, we have done the coin denomination question earlier as well.
Yes, sir.
That's why I will be skipping the solution of question number 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or if you like, I can do the solution.
No.
अगर question
alright.
difficult लगता है तो okay ना.
So after
Sir,
this exercise,
which
this chapter is finished. So what chapter will we do next?
You guys tell me which chapter you would like to begin.
Some mensuration.
Mensuration. Okay. Arham,
yes, sir. Menstruation.
okay with that chapter?
Yeah.
Okay then. Whichever chapter you guys feel like you need to practice good some questions in them, we will be beginning with that chapter then. Okay.
Sir, which question number do I have to do?
Yeah. Okay. I forgot to assign. Question number 17. Take this question.
Okay, sir.
Question number 16 is also a good question. Okay now. So total guess जो है, we have to assume it in terms of facts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then who drink what, in terms of that we can divide it into different fractions, thereby add all of them and equate it to the total number of guests.
Yes.
So thereby you will be getting it. So that is also easy. A good question. Question number 17. Arham, there are 180 multiple choice questions, MCQ questions in a test.
Yes,
And
sir.
if a candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer, and for every unattempted or wrongly answered question, 1 mark is deducted. So there's a negative marking of 1 here.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's a good question. Now, if a candidate is like exams भी हमें appear होते हैं, there is a negative marking there. Okay, in certain competitive exams, there's negative marking. So if a candidate is scored 450 marks in the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? Now here's the twist. Total marks 450 वो score कर रहा है, and that he is how many answers he correct? How many answers he answered correctly, right? And there
Yes,
are
sir.
180 MCQ questions. So total marks is 720. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Total marks
Yeah.
कितने हैं? It's 720. And you know the
Yes, sir.
for unattempted questions, or wrongly answered question, 1 marks will be deducted. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
solve it. Seems
Yeah.
interesting and easy. By the way, Arham, you're planning to do your class 9th and 10th from the same school.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
So what did you say?
I'm saying to Arham that will he be doing his class 9th and 10th from the same school?
Sir, I haven't decided yet.
Okay, okay. Hmm. By the way, what was the name of your school, by the way?
New Middle East International School.
New Middle East International School. Okay. And Arhan, you will be taking admission next year, no? I'm guessing. Next
Yes,
year
sir,
you will be taking
9th.
admission in class 9.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
In Delhi. Or
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Which school, by the way?
Sir, it's not decided.
Not decided yet. Okay, okay. Or will you be appearing for competitive entrance exams? Like there are few universities like Aligarh Muslim University is there, Jamia
Yes, sir.
Islamia is there. Okay. Have you been will you be attempting for it, sir? For it,
Yes, sir. I'm preparing for it.
preparing for it. Okay. Self study.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Hmm. So if you're preparing for Jamia entrance, na, do make sure one thing that you do practice questions from NCERT exam plus. Okay,
Yes, sir.
NCERT exam books have got questions of very good nature.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Hmm. And also purchase a guidebook. Okay, a Spectrum by the name of Conceptum. There's a guidebook. By the name of Conceptum, there's a guidebook. Purchase that. Okay. Questions from general knowledge are also asked, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So by the way, solve it.
Yes, done. Okay, what is the answer you're getting for question number 17?
180.
180. Okay. So we can cross check it in this manner.
Yes, sir.
1/4 of the guests drank colas. So colas, 1/4 drank. Yeah. If your answer is 180, so it means 45 guests ने colas drink किया है. Okay.
Yes.
Then a third drank squash. यानी कि 60 drank squash. Okay. Arham, you also look at the question quickly.
Yes, sir.
60 guests ने squash drink की है. Okay. 2/5 drank fruit juice. 2/5 यानी कि 72.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is fruit juice 72. And just 3 did not drink anything. Right. So let's take them as 3. So 72 plus 3, that is 75. 75 plus 45, that is 120, plus 60, that is 120.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you solve it, then if you're getting 180, then that is correct.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Arham, did you got the solution of how we solve question number 16?
No, sir. I'm doing.
No, I was asking about question number 16, which Arhan was solving.
Oh,
हमने
yes,
कैसे
sir.
solve किया
Yeah.
इसे? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we still have time. Arhan, solve question number 18 then.
Okay, sir.
So, Arham, what are the values you have assumed in terms of variables? क्या assume किया आपने?
Sir, I got it.
Got it? What is the answer?
The number of questions he answered correctly is 90.
That is
90.
90. So
Yes,
90
sir.
questions he answered correctly. Okay. And what about 90 questions? Okay. Okay. Have you cross-checked it? Question number 7 क्या cross-check किया आपने?
No, sir, I haven't crossed it.
Okay. Do cross-check it if you are getting total value or not. If
Yes,
it is
sir.
equal to the total given number. So also do let me know कि आपने क्या क्या assume किया while solving it, so that I will get to know where you did wrong or correct.
Sir, I
Okay.
assumed the answers you did correctly as X.
Okay. So correct answers assume it as X. So correct answers are X and total number of questions that were wrong. How did we find that? The total number of
Sir,
questions है.
yes, sir.
I'm saying
Sir,
that
180 minus 90.
180 minus 90. No, I'm saying that number of wrong answered questions. Wrongly answered questions. If correct answers which he answered is X here. So कितने
Yes, sir.
questions इसने wrong answer किए? So total questions were 180. So total questions में से हमने correct answers हमने minus कर दिए, तो so will be getting the number of wrongly answered questions. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Getting
Yeah.
it? Then further the question says that total the score that he will be getting, the marks he will be getting in order to answer when he answers one correct answer will be 4.
Yes, sir.
So, let me repeat it. The question Binod for one correct answer he will be getting 4 marks. So अगर marks के term में हम बात करते हैं, so to since he has answered x number of questions as correct, so marks will be 4x total marks. Correct answers के 4x
Yes,
होंगे,
sir.
है ना? Okay.
Yeah.
Then for the marks that will be for this one, that is 180 minus x. Okay.
Yes,
Number
sir.
of wrongly answered questions 180 minus x. फिर आपने क्या किया? What you did later on?
Sir, I made the equation for both the things, and then I subtracted it.
Okay. What was the equation you wrote? Look here.
Yes, sir.
This is the marks for total correct answer. Marks for total correct answer. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this one, it is the total number of correct questions, and then minus x, that is the, we are minusing the number of correct answer, thereby we're getting number of wrongly answered questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And according to the question, total marks he is getting is 450.
Hmm.
So that is
Yes,
what
sir.
he is getting here. Okay. So if I were to do it in this manner, if I were to write like 4x, that is a marks for total correct answer. Okay. And
Yes,
we
sir.
know that if he were to answer wrong, अगर मैं wrong questions की बात करता हूँ, if I to talk about wrong answers, so 1 marks is deducted now. So how
Yes,
many
sir.
wrong questions he has did? 180 minus x. So how
Yes,
many
sir.
marks will be
196.
how many marks will be deducted? 180 minus x into 1 now. For
Yes, sir.
every one wrong question, 1 marks will be deducted. So for
Hmm.
180 minus x wrong questions, this has to be multiplied with 1. So it will simply remain 180 minus x.
Yes, sir.
अब ये marks deduct किस में होता है? We know that जो हमारा total value, total correct answer की marks होती है, from that you
Yes, sir.
subtract the negative marking now. ऐसे ही हम
Yes, sir.
calculate करते हैं. So it will be 4x minus 180 minus 6.
Minus 6.
Okay, Arhan, are you also looking at the solution? I mean to, are you looking at the solution? How we are solving it? You also have a look at the manner in which we are solving it. So it's 4x minus 180 plus x equals to 450. So thereby it's 5x equals to 450 minus, sorry, plus 180. So that will be
Yes, sir.
how much? 630,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir. 630.
So x will be, isn't it 126?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
126. That is the value of x you will be getting here.
Yes,
And this
sir.
x is
Yeah.
basically the total number of correct answer. तो ये है ना हमारा, not 90.
Hmm.
Getting
Yes,
it
sir.
now. So in this manner we have
Yeah.
solved it. Take a screenshot of this one.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So Arhan, you